Hey, this is Yvonne DeCellis from YDCtv. You guys are probably going to get sick to death of seeing this park. This is the park in East Cambridge that I'm always videoing. I've done a bunch of videos of this park now, and for anyone who is getting really sick of it, I'm sorry. I happen to be a huge nature lover, and trees are my favorite. So, crazy cat lady who also loves dogs and pretty much all animals and nature. So I guess you could say I'm a nature lover. But here we go. They haven't changed the colors to go with the season again yet, but I guess the next colors will probably be Christmas colors. Who knows? I don't really know what date it is, to be honest, but I just wanted to take another foliage shot. So again, I'm just going to be doing this as many times as I can while there still are leaves places, because it depresses the heck out of me when the leaves all go away. So I just wanted to take another video clip of the park. I will add this to my selection. I know it's better, they say, to do three times a week, say, on YouTube, and to be consistent about it. But unfortunately, I can't guarantee consistency right now. I can guarantee I will do at least 2 videos a week, if not 3 or more. I just can't tell you exactly when they were going to be. But to be honest, one of the things that I really love about YouTube is you don't have to be on a set schedule. So I'm hoping to prove all of the creators wrong by saying, well, yeah, you have to post all the time. You just don't have to be consistent about it just to get traffic. So help me prove them wrong. Subscribe to my channel, give me a like or a comment or something. And again, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to visit me. I'm just going to do a turnaround real quick for another full view of this park. And okay, I have a feeling pretty soon a lot of these leaves are going to be gone, but I just wanted to take advantage of it while they're here. So as always, thank you again for visiting. Namaste, peace and light, and I will talk to you again soon. Be as good as you can, be as well as you can, and I wish the best for you and yours. Cheers, and peace and light.